Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I want to show you a wonderful overview of these Gita findings for Swarovski crystal. And you see that I've got half of them divided into the gold plated and this other half is rhodium plated. So really pretty finishes on these guys. And they are specifically made to go with different Swarovski crystal sizes. So you'll see some of them have 2 crystals and they'll actually list on the Beadaholique website which ones fit into these different ones. But you see that there's some oval shapes, some wonderful big rounds. There's going to be ones for cushion stone settings, pear-shaped, a whole bunch of different ones. And you'll notice if I pick one up and we look at it, it has a prong setting. Now all of these are prong set. I'm going to show you how to set your stones with a popsicle stick. Now there are some tools available as well. You can check out other videos by beadaholique.com, which shows you how to use those tools, but I want to show you a popsicle stick. There is one exception. This one here is a glue-in setting, and that's just a really pretty setting as well. It also has the Leverback. And if we look at the Leverback, it's really a lovely, graceful shape. It's a good size as well, and just very nice quality. And this is very secure. You see how that lines up nice into the back. So comfortable to wear, and these are all nicely attached as well. So the gold is just beautiful and stunning. And you see some have like a little not wire, but a little metal bridge, almost like cup chain, which has a couple attached there. We've got ones with a crystal surround. There's other ones, let me find it here. This guy has a little crystal already attached, so you just add whichever color you want. This would be a beautiful birthstone piece. So a lot of different options. We also have them in rhodium plate as well, which is this wonderful kind of silver tone. And then a nice big pear. And I've done some finished examples here for you. So here is one of the ones with the crystal surround, and we put a lovely big chaton in there. You see how that is set. Here's one with an oval shape, and this is a Montana blue. I love this color, and I think it goes so pretty with that rhodium plate. Then over here we've added a lovely emerald crystal. So this is a Rivoli. You see that nice pointed top to it. And then now I'm going to show you how to do it with this 2 set one. So this has 2 different stones. And so the top stone is going to be an SS39, and we're going to be using this crystal azure blue. And then we're going to be using light coral. So this is a crystal light coral in the cushion stone setting, and this is a 12mm cushion. And again, don't worry about guessing which crystals go with these. You're going to find that all listed on the beadaholique.com website. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and hold this in my hand, and I want to set this little guy first. So I just plop him in there. So you see how he is really perfectly sized for that. And now I'm going to take my popsicle stick, and I've already used this. So you can see a little bit of like dents in there, but you keep reusing the same popsicle stick over and over. And I'm just going to push down that prong over the crystal. And it's nice because this is wood, so it's not going to damage your crystal. Now I'm going to rotate it, and I want to go diagonal. I want to be setting diagonal. And that just keeps the stone from kind of ending up at an angle. Okay, so just bend that one in. And now we're going to go over to this side, so keep rotating it. I'm going to bend that one over, and now I'm going to bend this last one over as well. And then I always like to do one final pass through once it's set, just to kind of make sure it's set nicely. Okay, so that one is done. You look at the side profile in the back, really pretty. Okay, now we have the cushion stone, and I'm going to pop that guy in there as well. And I'm going to hold him in place, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go one corner, and the first one, it will still come out like you can see right here. That's why you're going to be going diagonal. Push that one in place. And then the next one. And then rotate. Push that guy in place. And then go back again and do one final pass over. And you can even do a slightly rolling motion if you want, so you can start from the edge and roll up and over. And that's always handy too. Okay, so we have it all set. Now I want to show you the difference in these two, because I actually did do something a little different, and this is just a design choice. On this one, I set this crystal first. And so this one, in this particular case, sits slightly on top of the one that you set first. So let me put this one down now. In this case, I set this guy first. And then if you can kind of see, this one sits just ever so slightly on top of it. So when you are setting these, if you do have a setting, let's find another one that's got, let me see, where might you be? That has multiple stones together. Just keep in mind that whichever one you set last will sit slightly on top of the other one in some cases. Not every case, but some cases it will do that. So just keep that in mind when you're designing. But these are so easy to do, and you just see how they sparkle and they look great from the side, and these are not going to come out. You don't need to use any glue, so that's really nice as well. And all we did was use a popsicle stick. So you've got a really pretty little pair of earrings right here. I'll show you these other ones again real quick. Just so pretty and sparkly. And all of these are available at beadaholique.com, both the settings as well as a whole host of crystals in a wonderful array of color. And these are all Swarovski crystals as well. So I hope you enjoyed this overview video and learned how to set them with a popsicle stick. Do check out our other videos because there are also rings, bracelets, and necklaces by Gita Findings, and we show you how to use them and also how to use some of the specific tools that work well with these.